Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. Today I'm going to be showing you how I customized and installed this wig right here. I bought this wig off of Amazon. I believe it was $40, so really not bad and kind of perfect for springtime, right? Springtime or anytime really, but I mean, hello, spring's right around the corner. I am in love with this wig and this look. I love it so much. I would have never pictured myself to try pink hair, but I'm really feeling it. And I feel like the roots kind of help make it look a little bit more natural, even the texture of the hair. Of course, I will go ahead and link the wig down below in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. Okay, so if you want to see how I customized this wig from the beginning to the end, then let's get into this tutorial. Guess who got a new wig? Here is my new wig. As you can see, I already have my hair prepped and ready, got my wig cap on. And if you want to know how I actually get my hair ready and the steps I take, you can check out my other how to install a wig for beginners video, which I will link up above here. So just to give you the basics of this wig, it is a lace front, and let's see the inside. Here is the front. As you can see, the lace is up top. So there are two clips here on the sides. You can see that. And then there's also one in the middle. And there are no clips in the back on the bottom, but there are these little straps here that you can use to adjust the tightness of your wig. So, you know, depending on the size of your head, you can make it tighter or looser. All right. What do you think? I feel like this color is so cute. Like, it's not too bright of a pink, which there's nothing wrong with that. But for me, depending on the color, I feel like pinks with my skin tone can just be a hit or a miss. I don't know. I really like it. I really like the roots too. I feel like that helps. And it's kind of like goes from a little bit shorter back, and then it kind of goes like a V down. Okay, so as you can see, I still have the lace on and I need to cut that. So let me go ahead and take this off. I know some people will cut the lace like as the wig is on their head, but I don't feel comfortable doing that just yet, so I'm not gonna be doing that. And all I'm gonna do is cut along the hairline of the wig. There's nothing special that I'm doing other than doing that. So let me go ahead and get this lace cut and I'll get back to you. So I went ahead and cut off the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. I always start from the back. I don't know why. I feel like it's easier to get it on that way. All right, so now that it's on, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of pin back the hair a little bit so I can work with how I want to melt the lace front. And what that means is basically just kind of making it look seamless with my hair, whether that's gluing it down, adding baby hairs, just to make the hairline like my hairline. And I'm just moving these out of the way just so I have better access. So I am going to put some glue, or not really glue, I'm actually gonna put some gel and, ooh, The gel I'm gonna be using is the Got To Be Ultra Glued. Lift this up a little bit back so that way I can put the gel. And here's the amount of gel that I have. I might be using less, but I'm just gonna put it on my wrist a little, or putting it all on there. But I'm gonna get a little by little and just kind of put it just in front of my hairline. Now I'm just gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes until it gets tacky. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the wig. Now that I look like a crazy person, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap a scarf around the edges just to let it set. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit and set for a couple of minutes, probably like 15-20 minutes, and I will be right back. It's been about 15 minutes. I did go ahead and just do my brows because I'm gonna do my makeup after I'm done setting this to kind of pull the look together. Okay, so now that I have the wig set, I'm trying to decide if I want to add baby hairs or not. Let's go ahead and clip this back up. So I am going to add a little bit. So I'm going to get my gel again, get my little edges brush, and just dip it in the gel. And if you've watched my other wig tutorial for beginners, I do pretty much the same thing. So all I'm doing is kind of pulling out the edges. And just kind of pulling it down and then back up into the hair. Probably just do one more from here. So grab the edges again, pull them out. Okay, so there's this side done. So I'm gonna do the other side and do my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so got the makeup did. As you can see, I did do a little bit of the edges just to make it look a little bit more natural looking. And there's just one more thing missing, and that is concealer. Concealer in the part. So I have not done that yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now real quick. And you really only need a little bit. I just put a tiny bit, probably more than what I needed. I'm just going to put the concealer in my part. And you can see how I'm just kind of dabbing it in there. It's not too crazy. And then just kind of blend it with my finger. Put a little bit more. And the purpose of putting the concealer is to help conceal the wig cap underneath. It's just gonna help so it looks like your actual skin. And that's that. This is the final look, y'all. The great thing about this is that it was super simple. Cutting off the lace, laying the edges a little bit, and voila, you got a natural looking wig. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't mind that concealer. And also, if you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.